Hey guys, welcome to another stream. Pretty much, we're gonna be trying. I'm just gonna put up some lo-fi. We're gonna try to build just an idea it's just a little concept that I kind of came across. And as far as I researched, it's not really a thing that's out there. So we try to build it. You know what I mean? So first of all, I've given Claude, this command, and I've also got the repository over here. So now what I can do is I can create this project structure API/generate. So we can just create API/generate, and let's call it route.js. And this is so let's install the package.json. So these are the dependencies. So we'll get OpenAI, copy that, and we can just install it. So we can call it npm I and OpenAI, just like that. Okay, so once we have that project structure, so we'll quickly get this out the way. So we'll create a components folder, and we'll call this input form.js. Result display.js, display.js, and load spinner.js. So, my bad, loading spinner.js. Cool. Okay, so we have everything else. I'm just gonna get rid of the global CSS and just get rid of all this. Okay, so everything else seems to be fine, and we'll just go towards package is fine. This is so we'll extend the content on the tailwind config. Okay. Just copy and paste this over here. All good. Let's just call it export default. Just call it export default. Seems like there's an error issue. I'm just gonna copy everything that's inside, and let's paste this here. Should do the job. Now I will go and I'll apply this in the body. Yeah, seems fine. So now I will go towards input form. This is input form.js. Let's go to result display. Oops. Result display. Loading spinner. That's loading spinner. API. Let's just copy this for now. Let's see if there's any other bugs in the meantime. Let's go towards page.js. Oops, what did I just do? Okay, so we have the main page, which is basically the home route. So let's call it, should we call it home? That way it's easier. We'll call it over here. Just get rid of everything here. That way it's easier. Okay, so we'll get rid of everything here. We'll call it home. So once we call it, and we'll just declare use client, and we'll call it npm run dev. Now once we open this up, let's see. Okay, seems like there's an issue over here, which seems to be coming from if I use this. What's going on? Tell you what, we'll get rid of we'll get rid of this. I don't see anything here. I don't see anything on this page. Or if I just like do something like, if I just do, I will just call it hello. Is there something here? Doesn't seem like it. It's like a memory problem, I'm pretty sure. So if I, oh wait, that's because I'm retarded. I'm actually fucking retarded. I'm calling home on home. Let's just call it home, and then we call this home page. Alright. Else it's gonna be very confusing. Call it home page. There we go. So now, if I try. We should be fine. Okay, so if I give it a Brainrot, oh shit. So if I give it its previous one, okay, it doesn't seem like we can apply that. We'll just apply this. How's that? Nope. Let's try. There we go. So now, I'm pretty sure we need like a API key, which is for sure. Yep, knew it. So we'll create. I don't think the GPT API is probably not free. So we create a new file. We'll just call it test123, and we just need to get the data. So this is already coming from the request body. I just need to send it. And we get this result, which is basically, let's see how this is passed down. So it's pretty much like the URL of the item. So this is the config, which seems to be sent. Where is it sent? Where's the config sent? Configuration. Oh, okay, okay. All right, gotcha. So now, cool. So yeah, at a low cost. So we can you use a different API instead? Show me only the backend. Okay, so we'll try this. This is fetching. Yeah, this is, yeah, that's fine. So stability, which is I'm pretty sure this is also paid, right? Yeah, but I need to pay for this. I think that's free, ideally. Free until a certain limit is hit. Yeah, that should probably work. No, I think I should be fine. Yeah, okay. Okay, Hugging Face, oh my God, I can't speak. Hugging Face is like a lot of... If I get a key from here, I think I should be able to. Okay, cool. So we'll install... I guess we gotta install this. So we'll do that. Actually, you know what? We don't really need to do that, right? If you have there... Where is node fetch used? Okay, whatever, as long as we can get it done. Okay, we'll copy, put that in the env, and we'll copy this and we'll paste it here. API URL, that's this, Hugging Face API key, which is also part of this, and yeah, this is coming from the request body. This is from here. Content type, which is also over here, and if it's this, else, where's the else? Else, okay. Video generation is not supported. Okay, that's cool. Cool. Okay, so we can pretty much we just need to get the Hugging Face API key. I also need to open this. Yeah, I think I should be able to get like a token. Just call it Brainrot. Yep, copy this, it's fine. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Right. How can I use this? It's my first time like really trying. From pre-trained, okay. Right. But how can I use this in my... Will this work like this? Do I need to pay for this? Not too sure. We'll try with this, see how it does. So I can only do images as far as I'm concerned, because everything else, videos are basically, you know, basically 400. So let's go back, let's do images. And video toilet, I don't know. Okay, there seems to be an issue. That's because of this. Should do the job. Where is it? Sorry. Should do the job. Fail to generate content. Right. Choose next response. And we'll do next response. Next response. Okay, we still have a little more to go, but as far as I'm concerned, as long as we can get this out the way, we can get this to work. Bruh. What's up with my spacebar? I'll just call this like the title, and we'll just do that. We'll call this over here, and we'll do that. Do one of these and the title. It's cool, right? Okay. So we'll get rid of this. Boom. Cool, awesome. Now we can try. Just copy this, paste this, and boom. Let's see. Skibidi toilet. Okay. What? This is not what I was expecting. Okay, I mean that makes sense because it's part of a car. I'd say Lewis Hamilton, but 20 times deformed. I don't know, that's offensive. 20 times, oh, Brainrot. See if that works. That'd be crazy though. I mean, I don't really see anything wrong with this. I don't really see anything that's like specifically wrong with this though. As long as I can give this API key, I can try to deploy. Just call it Brainrot. We'll just call it Brainrot. Or we'll just give it the... Again, I'm gonna delete this API key as soon as I get this deployed. I might have to go to ES7 config. It should be fine. If we have an error, we will try. But I mean, there's nothing really wrong with this though. Let's try again. Among Us character. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it cooks up. What? What is this? I'm concerned with text. I mean, this is just like a... Exactly, so if it fails to generate, you should say something like... We'll just do something like result display. So if there's no such result, if there's no result, we don't return null. We just do like... We'll do... Okay, if there is no result, this is if there is a result. The result. If there is no result, let's do error while generating the result. Please try again. And cool. Okay, if I try again, hopefully it says that instead. So as far as deploy goes, it is deployed. So you can go to this website. Where? It's not really. Let's try. What is this? What is this? I gotta save this though. I should have like a download button, that would be ideal, but either way it works. So, but it doesn't work on the public deploy. Yeah. So pretty sure it's like you gotta pull it through like an internal model, which makes sense. But yeah. So this is I don't know. Generate. What do you think I look like? Let's see what it looks like. What I look like. What? Now that I'm looking at it, why do I feel like this is me in like 20 years? That's crazy. No way. I'll just give it the same prompt, but to... Let me try. No, but because the backend is running on my local server, it might... Oh wait, never mind. Let me try F12. Okay, it seems like, yeah, it's not really working. Probably because it's not... Yeah, generate. So let's see if there's any errors I'm specifically catching here. Oh yeah, right. So it's pretty much not letting the origin access the backend necessarily. So, which is okay. But you should allow access from everywhere. Cross origin resource sharing basically. But as far as right now, yeah, I don't think it's... Yeah, we'll try to figure something out. But yeah, Seems alright, but I just need to get this to like generate videos and stuff. That'll be hella cool because right now it's just not letting me. Yeah. Either way, yeah, it doesn't let me. So maybe like have a different model for that. But yeah, a car. Well, like it's Brainrot, so it's gonna be like deformed or just Brainrot in general. So is my stream fine? Yo, what's up, Smooth Brain? How you doing, man? How you doing, Smooth Brain? What's good? Let me make sure it's like everything's fine, right? Okay, yeah, that's fine. I thought my streamer's not capturing. I mean, it's not that bad. Yeah, it's not that bad. Could have been worse. But ultra realistic image of me. See what it does. Kind of curious, to be honest. This is a little too close. How does it know what I look like? My camera's turned off, obviously. So what is it that I really need in life? Let's see. Anyways, as far as yeah, so pretty much as far as the project. What is this? Can you explain to me what this is? I can't understand what's going on here. Okay. I just gotta save this image, man. But yeah, we gotta get like videos able to be generated as well. Make it in a way back generate video. Ooh. Alright, so let me just copy. Okay, so I guess we need replicate. Okay, cool. Let me try something here. Do like test 1 to 3 for now. And let me try. I gotta install this. Not really, okay. Alright. Right, okay. Yeah, so I just need the API key, and I also need to go back to result display. Where is it? Input form? Okay, right here. So I need to sort of send the, where is it sending the request from? Wait, but where is it sending the request from? Where is it sending the request from? Okay, so it seems like on submit. Okay, but on submit, where is on submit? Oh, right. Okay, sorry, my bad. Okay. I got it. So image URL, generate content. Okay, so it needs to be a video instead. So this could be content type. So where is it taken from? Set content type. Set content type is over here. Okay, it's grabbed. Okay, so then what? I just need an API key. That's all. So let's look for an API key. On an AI with an API. Can I try that right now? Yeah, sure, go for it. Let's try. Okay, so you need an API key, right? Oh, I guess I gotta install this. Okay. I'm just gonna be like, oops. Okay, so let me try. Let me create a new chat. Use the replicate. Use the replicate package instead. Okay, example given below, and boom. Okay, so basically when you give it a prompt, and when you call this, you can just basically do it, replicate.run, and you can basically use it. Like, you don't really need a key from what I see. Hopefully. Okay, so this is part of stable diffusion. Okay, interesting. It's pretty interesting. Install root. Okay. Okay, so you do need it. Okay. Okay. Auth. Okay. Auth is where you replace it. Okay, I got it. So, because they got a E2, so yeah, we'll call it there. Cool, cool. All right. So we just need the token. So I guess we could try doing this. Yeah, that's fine. Sign in with GitHub. I hope this is free to an extent, you know? Yeah, so I do need this token. Once I have the token, I should be able to sort of copy and paste this. Okay, so let's just call it. Okay, let's just copy this token. Don't worry, I'll be replacing all these tokens, so don't worry about it. Default, yeah, this should be fine. Yeah, so let's just copy this, paste this here. So I've given it the replicate API key, which is over here. Okay, cool. So now we'll go back, we'll try. Okay, so it's basically coming from here. I have installed it, so okay. Guess I didn't. Hold up. Let me try npm I, and then I do replicate. Yeah. It's a little too fast. What is it that I really need in life? See if it... Oh, seems like there's an issue. What is it? Oh, wait. Payment required. Okay, so it needs... Basically, I need to give it some sort of billing details. See, billing required. So I gotta set that up. It makes sense because... Okay, yeah. So I guess I gotta set this up. Okay, so it's basically telling me to like set up the billing over here. Billing required. So yeah, part of this. Let's see. What's the name? What do you mean? What's the name of what? What's the name of... I don't get it. Replicate offer as you... Okay. Including video generation tasks. Okay, so running a model per second, approximately $2.61 per hour. So I don't get it. So how much on a video basis? How much would it cost me? Actually, you know what? I'll give Claude and be like, could you use a bit generator that's free for the most part, or free up to a certain point? Let's try that. Let me see if I can get something out of this. Okay. RunPod. Okay, this is part of Google, I guess. I'm not too sure. Just get rid of this then. Okay. Okay. So, RunPod API key, interesting. Let's try content type. Okay, that's fine. As far as, well, OpenAI. Okay, I thought it said OpenAI. So, yeah, let's just try this. See, oh well, sorry, my bad. Okay. What's going on here? Rec, no. Where is it using? No, I don't need this. That's all right. Yeah, okay, I don't really need it. So what I need to do here is go for the key. So I hope this is free. Oh, yeah, customer. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Settings. So where is settings? API keys. Create API key. Okay. From the console, select settings. Where is? Isn't this part of settings? I'm not too sure. Create API key. So let's say create API key. Restricted permission. Customize. Okay. Settings, API keys. Where's settings? I don't see settings anywhere. Where on earth is settings, bro? Where is it? Settings? Let me see if... How can I use the Brainrot AI website? Yeah, I'm trying to like... Yeah, so it's basically this website, right? So I'm trying to like get it deployed. So it's basically this one right here. You can go like... It doesn't really work right now. So say I just do test. It doesn't really work on like the public domain. But on my local computer it works. Like... As long as my project's running. But if I just do like test... What's up with it? It's because of this. Let's say next request should do job. Is JSON not part of it? Okay, you know what? I'll go back to my old code for now. Okay, what was I using there? Yeah, I was using rec. Okay, I mean, as long as I can get it done. No. It's this one. Without the rec. Ooh. Oops. There we go. Let's try again. So if I do test. Yeah, if I can get the... I don't know where's the settings bar. In the console, select settings. I don't know where the settings is, but console select settings. On API keys, select the pencil icon and select the permission. The API keys. I mean, I am in API keys, so what if I just click on sign up? Where is it coming from? Okay, it's coming from here. What is this? Let me try logging in. Can you put the domain in the chat? You see I have a little problem there. I have a little problem there, right? I try to put it on the Brainrot copy. Let's try put in this here. Okay, this is gonna be the link right here. It's gonna be quite the immersive experience. It's not really working right now, but if I can get it working, like 100% I will let you know. Because like from the public deploy it just doesn't work, but if I just do like plain, I don't know. Okay. Okay, now I can access this. Okay, so now I can click on settings. Where is settings? Where's settings? Okay, right here. Now API keys. Where's API keys? Okay. Brainrot. Okay. Restricted read only. It should be fine. Let me close my camera for now, because I gotta copy this key. This is like something a little. Okay. Got the key. Cool. Okay. Should do the job. Let me just make sure everything else is fine. Select yes. Okay. Okay, that's enabled. That's fine. So if everything's fine, okay, if everything's fine, what my life looks like right now. Okay, there's an issue. What's the problem? Where is it? Okay, if I just comment this out, where's the problem coming from? I try sometimes commenting things out and see if it works. Seems like it's no response, which is also fine. Yeah, so it's coming from here, which is fine. Okay, let's say plain. Okay, how about this? Go back to the dashboard and see if my thing is enabled. Okay, it is enabled. Disabling this key. Okay, no. Yeah, no, it is enabled, but as far as generating videos go, it just doesn't work. But if I do images, it works. Say smooth brain. I feel like it might low key this prompt might be, I don't know. Let's see what it generates, I guess. You try to like I don't think it might like mess up low key. I knew it. I knew it was gonna generate something absurd. Like, yeah, I knew it. But replicate.run. So as far as, is it really running the model? Yeah, this is the problem, right? So I'm using run pod. So let me try like the run pod documentation. Where's, oh. That wasn't really the best idea on my end. Okay. Let me try. Where's the documentation for like the? Yeah, but I need like the. Yeah, but I need the JavaScript. Okay. There's a few things that I'm missing here. Yep. Now I can actually keep this running. Okay, so as long as I can get this without calling from an API, right? I should call this not from this, but rather from this package, right? Endpoint ID, interesting. So for this, I think what I should do is I should just call it like this and call it like this, do it like that, and make sure I'm not streaming it. If it's really cool if it really generated the image. Yeah, I want to get it working like that, but like for some reason it's just not. Okay, so everything here seems to be fine. I just can't share like this window for now. Just call it test 1, 3. Okay, so everything else seems to be fine. Okay, so now we have everything sort of, the keys are here, but I need some sort of, I think I need like the endpoint ID, and I need to replace the code. So for example, like, implement like the code at the very top. Show me the full code from top to bottom, except make the changes but leave the rest as it is. Okay, so I do need an endpoint ID. As long as I have an endpoint ID, I think I should be able to sort of run this. I don't want to call it off the endpoints. So I think I should have given it like this. Yep, I think I should have given it like this. I think GPT should be able to understand. How do I get the endpoint ID? Okay, I need to try the endpoint ID. How do I get the endpoint ID? Wait, am I sharing the... Okay. So, let me try, I'll try GPT on a different window. If I can on like this one. Okay, so if I copy this and if I paste this over here, endpoint ID. So I need an endpoint ID and I need the Hugging Face API key. So I do have the Hugging Face API key, but I do need the endpoint ID. I have the API key for this one as well. I just need the endpoint ID, that's it. So for that, I'm a little confused, but how do I get the endpoint ID for video generation with run pod? Let's try. Okay. Start of select pod. Interesting. Pods. Interesting. Okay, this is really confusing. Okay, what if I like try... Is all of them like paid? Okay, all of them are paid. Yeah, if it's video generation, I'm pretty sure you need like a... Wait, I'm gonna try something, right? Generate me a simple video of a car. Okay, okay. So I need that ID. So for as long as I have the ID, I should be able to use the pod. And with the pod is how I'm going to really run this. So for now, we'll be limited down to images, which let's just say Lightning McQueen. Let's see. See what it does. I need to have it in like a much better. Something is just not right. Yeah, it feels a little... Let's just say something hilarious. Let's see. I don't think it's gonna be funny though. I think it would be... What? What's so funny about this? This is not hilarious. This is absurd. Okay, I guess. But yeah, I think as far as this experiment goes, how long have I been doing this for? I've been doing this for some time. As far as this experiment goes, I think it was a kind of a failure, but it's okay. We'll try sometime later. Because it's not... I need more knowledge on free models. Maybe we'll get to sort of paying for something and, you know, doing something like that. Because this is all expensive, right? So yeah, I think we'll have to figure something out there. I kind of look on Hugging Face if I can find like a good model that does this, right? Video generation. Interesting, there's more models. Base AI models that generate videos. Text input. Let's see. Cog video. Interesting. Interesting, okay. So it's a pre-trained model technically, and everything else is just basically called when this pre-trained model is sort of, where's this prompt? Where does this prompt go? I don't really see. Okay, so the video, okay. Interesting, okay. Well, as far as I'm concerned, right? I'm not really seeing the full picture here. Okay, there seems to be a few other models here. Text to video. Let's see. Okay. Interesting. Pinaki. Long form videos from a single sequence of text prompts. Focuses on maintaining temporal consistency across multiple frames. Video LDM. Try video LDM. Okay. Yep. I think okay, I'm gonna try use this model for video that, and I'm going to try I'm gonna try this endpoint. Okay. Yeah, I was expecting that. What's going on here? Expected. Where's this coming from? Line 82. Oh, okay. This is the problem. So, yeah, let's try this. This should work. I think it should work. Okay, yeah. Cool. What's the problem now? Yeah, I mean, it's gone now, so what's the problem now? Input image. Yeah, I mean, I think I need to deploy, like run this model on my local computer and then get to sort of working with this, and then, yeah, I think there's a bigger procedure here. I'll try, what was that thing called again? Cog video, yeah, cog. I don't think there's an endpoint for this. I think I might have to like clone the repo or download this. Yeah, I think I might have to like clone the repo and then run this locally on my computer. But I'm a little scared though, because I feel like there might be like some, I don't know. I feel like there might be a little. Yo, wait, oh sorry. It's really cool if I can. Wait, Fleming, was that the meetup? Is he a trader? I've heard his name a lot. No, he's not a trader, bro. He runs a social media marketing agency. He's not a trader at all. He trades meme coins. He buys and sells meme coins, but he's not a trader. What's this? Okay. How do I increase this? The requested GPU duration 200 seconds is larger than the. Okay. I think I'll have to like look into like a few other models, and I will have to sort of give it content type, input image. That's if right. Base 64 input image. I don't know. I don't really have an input image, to be honest. Okay, but as far as I'm concerned, prompt content type. I don't know, man. I don't really have an input image as far. I mean, I guess we could do like input image. Okay, I don't really have an input image. I need to sort of get this. Also, Smoothbrain, if you wanna like have generate images, you can like legit like search up like AI image generators or something, and then boom, you should be able to sort of find like a lot of different generators, bro. Most of them are actually free. You can just like give it a prompt and then you can pretty much just get it generated. So I don't really see what something that's like. Yeah, but if I can just like sort of feed this image to the video section, I think I should be able to get this done. But I don't really see any I don't really see any other type of output. It's a little complex right now. It's just that I need to find a right model and I need to have a right plan. So yeah, I don't think it's happening today, but for sure, because it's been almost an hour. I'm trying to figure it out. So let's see if I can sort of do right. Yeah, I don't think I can get it done. I don't think I can get it done because I need a model that does it properly, and it also needs to be like it needs to be it needs to be taking the input image from something else. So yeah, this is basically, there's a problem here. It's expecting a certain script to be running on my computer, and that script to be sort of calling the video generation model. So there's a whole procedure there. So yeah, I think if we can get it to work properly, we should be fine. You know what? Let me try cloning this repository. We have a few more minutes. I'll try cloning this. It's like a repository, okay. Seems like there's a lot of stuff here. Interesting. I'll try this and I'll see how it goes. And I'll let you guys know. Because there's a lot more that needs to go into this. Because you need to sort of run this and you need to make sure like the script is running in the first place. And once you have it running in the first place, that's when you can sort of link it with the backend. And yeah, so it's like a certain procedure, man. It's like a certain procedure. So I need to see what this procedure is. Yeah, so I need to see what this procedure is, and once this procedure is done, that's when like everything should be like over here and working. So yeah, unfortunately we weren't able to really do it to that extent, but all right, see you, man. See you guys. Yeah, so pretty much that's where I'm gonna end it for now. I'm going to try to do it sometime later. It's a fun experiment though. Try to use like a different AI model and try to see if I can get it to sort of